Basically, I think he was just clearing forests. There was all forests here and agricultural land and whatnot, mostly forests. So he just kind of cleared away, he did a lot, it was like stage one. And then different wealthy people have come. Lala Babu came in the 1870s, 1880s, and he was a millionaire from Calcutta. He became a disciple of Siddha Krishna Baba. And I think he was the one that actually gave it the present appearance today. Those big red sandstone stones everywhere. And the present size. So that was about 300 years out, or 200 years after Raghunath Das. So it's gone through many changes. When they drain out the water, the last time they drained out the water was 2009. Did you see?
No. We came in 2012.
Oh, yeah, I was here. I was going every day for cleaning. And then at one point you could see the original kund decorated, dug out by Radharani, called Kangan, Kangan Kund. And that was just, there's no steps. It's just mud walls. Just 4 walls of mud. And it was about, because it was, when they dug out Radhakund, in the middle of Radhakund there's like a crater, like a moon crater, a bomb blows off, there's a big hole in the ground. Like they set a bomb in some car, and it blows off, it goes everywhere, plus down. Usually there's a big hole in the ground where the bomb goes off. So it looked like some bomb went off. So it was about 30 feet by 30, 25 by 25. It's right off Lita, what do you call that? Jana Baitak, Radhakund, right off of that, straight in the middle. So that means that Radhakund was very small and very simple.
That is facing the Sangam place, and this Baba Haridas, his temple is there. So that is in alignment with that.
Haridas?
Haridas is, they have that temple.
Oh, Swami Haridas.
Swami Haridas.
Yeah, it's not. I don't know if it's exactly the opposite of that.
Because in your book also, year 2009, I remember, that the cleaning and all that you have mentioned and emphasized. That whole cleaning took place.
Yeah, it's about in the middle of Radhakund. I don't know if it lines up with that temple or not, but it's roughly exactly in the mathematical middle of Radhakund. And that temple may be a little bit south of the middle. I think the temple is slightly south. In other words, you have the whole length of Radhakund, north to south. And I don't think that temple is right in the middle. I don't think so. Could be, I'm not sure. I may be mistaken. But somehow I don't get the impression that it's right in the middle. It may be. Radhakund ki jai. Shama Kunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhan Kalindi Jamuna Jaya Jaya Mahavan Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Shri Govinda Gopinata Madan Namaha